Standing up right now, you can see he's right next to this cherry picker thing. He actually insisted that before he come down, they speak with us. And that's why you saw that man speaking with us earlier saying that they will be agreed for 2 weeks now. Save the house? No. Good man. No wrong. I love you. It's hard to rebuild. It's easy to destroy. It's hard to create. We love you, Aaron. Don't worry. If they tear this one down, it'll be another man on another roof tomorrow. He wanted it. Aaron's only the beginning.
Hey, he's got his wallet.
Our neighborhood matters.
Aaron's wallet.
It's not a black thing, it's not a white thing, it's a social thing. It's not a threat. You guys are seeing that. There'll be another man on the roof. There'll be another man on the roof here.
Being led away, he was arrested, but he did get what he wanted. He told me moments ago he's happy with the outcome. That is, this house will be torn down at least for 2 weeks because the city